డైరెక్ట్ చేసింది వారే, రీసెంట్గా మనం చూసింది. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ సినిమా డైరెక్టర్గా చాలా పెద్ద బాధ్యతనే చేపట్టారు. వారికి కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ చెప్తూ సార్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ యూ టు ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్ అ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Since last 2.5 years, Hyderabad is my second home. It's my Karm Bhumi. People say you cannot forget your Jan Bhumi and Karm Bhumi. The kind of love, affection and opportunity, I must say, Hyderabad has given me. I am so grateful to all of you who are present here and whole city and whole Telugu film industry. I am here only because of one person's trust on me, and he is Dr. Mohan Babu sir. It's not easy to bring somebody from Mumbai who is not familiar with the language and culture and give him such a huge project. But he has the guts and he has the confidence to give this opportunity to me. I will always be grateful to him. And as a person, I must say that he is like a coconut, hard from outside, but so soft from inside, and most importantly, pure from inside. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And Vishnu Manchu Garu, he is one of the most prepared actor I ever worked with. I don't remember taking any of the takes more than 4 times. Almost 80% the times, he was bang in the character and perfect in first or second takes. He's a treat to watch. I will not say much. Now movie is going to release, and in few days, the depth of his performance you are going to witness. He's also a great human being, and I must say he's a great son to his father and parents. It's an example. We all should learn how he takes care of his father and his parents. We just saw the song. His daughters, Ariana and Viviana, they were performing, and Avram also was there, and Ira also was there. I want to share one incident that Arya and Vivi, the twins, daughters of Vishnuji, on the occasion of my DOP Sheldon Chow birthday, they made a cake. I wanted to eat that, but because I'm a vegetarian, I don't eat anything with eggs. So I said, no, I can't eat because it contains egg. Next time, when they knew I am coming to home, they made a cake without eggs only for me. It says their upbringing, how Vishnuji, Viniji and Mohan Babu sir raised their kids. I bless them from my heart. They have done a fantastic job, and you can all You all are curious to know that what Prabhas Garu is doing in this film, what character he is playing. If you will calm down, I can say. I will not say much, but one thing I will say, that nobody in the movie is coming to just say hi and hello. Every character, every legend has a character to play, has a part to play, and without them the movie cannot be completed. You all know Mr. Prabhas Garu as a rebel star, but I know him as a humble star. For his fans, he is God, but in personal life, he is such a simple, humble person, such a dedicated actor, an intelligent actor, I must say. In such a short span of time, the way he portrayed the character of Kanappa, the way he adopted, it's going to be a treat for all of his fans. There are a lot of things are happening here. I think you all are looking somewhere in hope of something. Yeah. I'm also grateful to get an opportunity to work with legends like Sharad sir. What a beautiful human being he is. And Brahmanandam sir, Mukesh Rishi ji, Madhubala ji, Mohanlal ji, Akshay Kumar sir, Kajal Agrawal, and all my friends present here, Arpit Ranka, Lavi Pajni. I also want to thank you, my writing team. Most of the people were here, the Akala Siv Prasad ji, Thota Prasad ji, and Ishwar Reddy ji, who helped a lot, not only in writing but also in post-production. He is still helping. Thank you, Ishwarji. And also I want to thank Vijayji, Vinayji. Where is Vinayji? He was here somewhere. Yeah. They all are part of team. Any movie cannot be completed without a team. Anthony, you saw him talk. He's a great editor. And my dear Stephen Devasi, you have heard his songs, but I bet that when you will listen the background music of the movie, that is more difficult to compose. You are going to be blown away. He's such a great musician. Thank you, Stephen. You are an asset to be a part of any project. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you.